Hello everyone. Okay, this moment I'm going to show you how to check the status of the network around you before you can be able to connect to them to know their signal strength. So the first step, you have to open your command prompt. Let me do that in seconds. CMD, then type CMD. You can run as administrator, and you can open your command prompt here. Let me preview this. So then the next thing you're going to do is to copy this command. I'm going to be putting this command in the comment section below, then paste it here, then click enter. Okay, so there is it. You can see the available networks around you and their signal. The first network here, the signal is 20%. Then the second one is the signal is 16%. The third one is the signal is 100%. The fourth one, the signal is 8%. So this is actually how to the status of networks around you before you connect to them. All right, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Right. The second part of this video is to identify the signal strength of every network around you. So but in this video I'm going to use a mobile phone. I have this special app here which name is Wi-Fi analyzer. You can just go to your Play Store, type Wi-Fi analyzer, then search for it. I'm going to open it. Then scroll down to this one. You can see this one here. Okay, let me show you. So use this one here. That is best for me at this moment. Okay. All right. So let me open it. Then let it open. All right. Now you can see the list of all networks around me, their signal strength. Okay, I have my router which is TP-Link, and I see how fast the network is, and you can see the channel number, a lot of information about this network, the frequency. Okay, all right, so now let me go to graph. Then you can see the signal strength, okay, and the IP address of my router. Okay, and time graph. So this is it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Hold on.